Alright, so problems auto-reveal controls whether problems, I guess there's a D missing, so controls whether the D problems view should automatically reveal files when opening them. So let me show you what this looks like. Let's create a problem here by deleting a few characters. And now we will have these problems here. And what this setting pertains to is if you click a particular problem, you're going to open that file. However, this file needs to already be opened in some editor, right? Which is a bit of a problem because VS Code does not yet have the ability to show you problems in the whole of your repository. So if you close this file, the problems tab won't show anything anymore, which is kind of weird because the problem is still there. So actually there's a feature request going all the way back to 2016 for this feature, right? Show all errors and warnings in project for all files, not just open ones, which is what VS Code does right now. And it turns out that actually this feature depends on another feature that comes from TypeScript that also comes all the way back from 2016. And we still don't have an answer to getting this to work. So this feature from the TS server needs to be finished so that VS Code can use that to show all errors and warnings in project for all files, not just open ones. So at the moment, we can only see problems in the current editors, open editors, which is kind of a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. Anyway, hopefully that will come sooner rather than later. Either way, it's a good thing to have the problems auto reveal setting set to true because whether you need to have the open the file open in an editor, or eventually when we have the feature to show all the problems, it's a good thing for you to be able to just click a particular problem and immediately jump to that file and to the correct line where the problem exists. So definitely a good thing to have this turned to true, and that's what I'm going to leave it with.